How to delete your Capital One account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to close your Capital One account, there are different ways to do so. The very first one would be the online method. So if you want to close your checking or savings account, you just have to log in into your Capital One online banking. Head over to your account services and then select on close account. This might ask you to verify your identity, and once that is done, you can confirm your account. There is another way to close the account as well. For this, you can call the customer support. For the online account, you can just contact on the numbers given on the screen. Likewise, if you want to close your account permanently, head over to another page for the Capital One deletion. Here you will see the number 1800 655 2265. Contact on this number to close your account, which is for the Capital One 360 and the retail branch account. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.